Today's lesson for math is lesson 21. The objective of the lesson is to explain the size of a product, relating fractions and decimals that are equivalent to each other. So we're going to do number 5, which is a word problem. Elise has 3/4 of a dollar. She buys a stamp that costs 44 cents. Change both numbers into decimals and tell how much money Elise has after paying for the stamp. So the lesson today was basically about changing fractions into decimals. So the way we did that today is we looked at the bottom number, and with that bottom number we said to ourselves, what would we multiply times that number to get 100 or 10 or 1,000? And the reason why we want to get 10, 100, or 1,000 is because tenths, hundredths, and thousands are our decimal places. So 4 times 25 is 100. You got to do the same thing to the bottom and the top. So when you multiply, you get 75 hundredths, which as a decimal you would write as 0.75. So 3/4 of a dollar is 75 cents. She buys a stamp that costs 44 cents. So the second part of the problem is to take your 75 cents and subtract it from the 44-cent stamp to figure out what you have left. Do that subtraction, and she'll have 31 cents after paying for the stamp. So that's how you would do problem 5 from their homework, and this was how we worked on changing fractions to decimals today.